This is like the most romantic thing we've done together.
God.
The most wonderful aspect of Bohri dining is that we sit on the floor. We have this big steel plate called a thal, which we place on a slightly elevated surface. And everyone sits around this thal, and they all eat from the same plate.
I am really scared looking at the size of this thali. It's massive.
It's going to be pretty wholesome. It's going to be very difficult to finish one dish, is what I feel.
Are there any rules to eating, like, is this my
Yeah, this is my
area?
space.
Say, for example, I like some meat.
No.
You're not coming here. No. We're going to start this off with something called a namakdani, which is normally done by the youngest person
The baby, you know.
in the group.
Basically, you're supposed to hold the salt and it's used to clean the palate before you start your meal. So,
And activate your taste buds.
activate your taste buds.
Samosas that are filled with keema.
Meat just makes everything better. I'm sorry, but it's a little bland.
Hey, it's smoky. I can feel it smoky.
It's just a regular samosa to me. Just with meat.
I have a feeling I'm not going to be going back to aloo samosas after this. This is sweet. Apparently, if you alternate between salty and sweet, it reactivates your palate.
I really like this concept of
Oh my
dessert in
God.
between meals.
Kesar saffron. Normally it has a very strong taste, but
Overpowering, but it's not the case. Sir.
I feel like I'm going to be abandoning schools altogether by the end of this.
this is the kind of a dish that if no one was looking, I would take like that
just
and
give up
just
and-
go like all over. Oh my god! Guys, let's do this.
I just don't want to look at y'all.
Don't.
The entire leg of the lamb.
Oh my god! It comes right off.
This is totally worth the Gelusil tablets I'm going to be having after this.
You can't enjoy this with a fork and a knife.
Pretty spicy.
I love the spice.
This is like an orgasm right here.
This is Buna Gosh. It's like tomato puree with meat.
Fuck off, it's really good.
It's like tomato puree with meat. This is more familiar to what we eat
Yeah.
generally.
And there are demarcated margins that we aren't crossing over here.
You better have nothing to do for the rest of the day if you plan
Rest
on
of the
having
week.
this.
I've never had bread and rice in the same meal. I haven't done it.
I think if I hadn't picked out so much in the previous courses, I would have enjoyed
I
it.
enjoy this more.
Completely discounting the fact that we're all falling asleep slowly.
You remember that scene where Joey comes to eat the turkey wearing that maternity shit?
Yeah, that's basically five
Do
of
with some that.
So we just got done with what has been the best meal of my life by far in the past 1 year.
It was a nice experience, you know, with everybody like sitting together and eating and sharing the same plate.
It was weird at first.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was really
Very
uncomfortable at first.
I never shy away from meat, but right now I can't bear to look at lamb in the
That
face.
was too much.
My body's just happy but confused and full.
I didn't even know that Bohri food was different or it had a style of its own.
Which just goes to show how much of a cultural difference there is, like within our own friend circle, which we don't know
We
about.
don't
it.
talk about.